Seasoning your DCS grill is vital for good food grilling performance. To season your grill, light the burners and close the hood. Allow the grill to heat up for about 15 minutes. Once the grill has been on for 15 minutes, open the hood. The grates will have blackened, which is normal for the DCS grill. Take the DCS tongs, some paper towels and vegetable oil. Rub the oil over the grates 5 or 6 times until you get a good sheen. We don't recommend using olive oil as it has a lower smoke point and will burn easier than a good vegetable or canola oil. To clean your DCS grill once you have finished cooking, use the DCS grill brush to remove any burnt on food. Follow the seasoning process to complete the cleaning. For stubborn burnt on food, cover the grates with aluminum foil and allow to heat for 15 minutes. This should burn off any stubborn food remains.